In this video, we're going to talk about sales tax. How much money will you pay in sales tax for an item that costs $6.85 with a 5% sales tax? First thing I want to do is I want to convert 5% to a decimal. And so when I do that, I get 0.05. And then I want to multiply that by the amount that we're paying, so $6.85. And so I'm going to go ahead and do this on my calculator. And so I'm going to have 0.05 times 685. And I'm going to get, now remember we're talking about money. Money only has 2 decimal places. So this is going to be 34 cents. So I would pay 34 cents on something that costs $6.85 in tax. So if I look at example 2, it says the earbuds you want to purchase cost $79 and you know that you will pay a 7.3% sales tax. How much will you pay at checkout? So first let's figure out how much money we're going to pay in sales tax. So I'm going to convert 7.3% to a decimal and get 0.073. And I'm going to multiply that by our $79. And when I do that, let's see, I'm going to have 0.073 times 79, and I'm going to pay $5.77 in sales tax. We want to know how much we're going to pay at checkout, so we're going to pay the cost of the item plus the cost of the sales tax. And when I do that in my calculator, I get $84.77. Example 3 says Charlotte bought a camera and paid $265, including a tax of 6%. What was the list price of the camera? So let's think about this. The list price plus the sales tax equals the total price. So I don't know what the list price is, so I'm going to call that X. Plus, I know that 6% is 0.06, and I would have to multiply that times the list price. And that would give me my total price of $265. So I can simplify this equation a little bit. X plus 0.06x is going to be 1.06x is equal to $265. To undo multiplication, I can do division and get x equals, and I can just do this in my calculator. So in my calculator, I'm going to do 265 divided by 1.06, and I get $250. So that means that the list price of the camera was $250. On example 4, it says Kevin purchased a new car and paid $24,468.75, including a sales tax of 8.75%. What was the list price of the car? So this is going to be very similar to the one that we did up here. And so I know I'm going to have 1 point and then whatever our percentage is as a decimal, X equals our list price. So 8.75% as a decimal is 0.0875. So 1 plus that would be 1.0875x is equal to $24,468.75. And to undo multiplication, I can do division. And so that's going to give me x equals And then I'll go over to my calculator and do 24,000. Remember, Desmos does not like commas, so don't use commas in Desmos. So $24,468.75 divided by 1.0875, and I get $22,500. So the list price of the car was $22,500.